story of SFC and Rolling Square. Here is one of their products. They have used our service for the past 10 years. Over the 10 years, we grow up together. We provide the very competitive price for the very light and small items, and we offer the DDT solutions for the EU countries. We can also have the API connections with SFC and Shopify. If you also need this kind of service, please contact us. And their company founders visit our warehouse and office last year and this year. Here is our pictures.